back to Indian Miss Mom. In today's video, I am going to share 3 easiest habits to be fit and fine all the time. I am not telling about any exercise, even I am not telling you guys to do diets. But here I am sharing only 3 easiest habits which you can implement very easily, but the effective things which is going to bring a huge difference in your life. So without delaying, let us have a look in that. The first thing is drinking hot water instead of cold water. It sounds very easy to do, and it is easy as well, but this will bring a huge difference in your health. Drinking hot water always removes all the toxins from your body, and at the same time it will help to improve your digestion system, and it will also help to keep you away from many diseases. So isn't it very easy to do? Definitely it is very easy to do, and it is very effective as well. So from today only, start to drink hot water instead of cold water. Even I have hot water flask in my hand. For my kids also, I am sending hot water to school, and this is helping me a lot in improving my health. And the second thing is 10,000 steps per day. See, whenever you are going nearby within 1 kilometer, please don't use vehicles. Try to go by walk, and this will save fuel as well, and at the same time it will help you improve your health, and definitely it will maintain your health for longer time. 10,000 steps per day is the very good thing which you can do. No need to do any other exercises, just 10,000 steps per day. And there are many instruments as well to count that. If you want, you can buy that, or otherwise you can just go for a walk, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, whatever you like. Just make sure 10,000 steps you are putting, and that is going to bring a huge difference in your health, and you will be fit for longer time. And here I am not talking about 1 day or 2 days. It is whatever the fitness we need to maintain for our health, that should be all the time, and we need to do it on everyday basis, and definitely throughout our life we can be fit and fine. And last but not the least, don't eat anything unless you feel hungry. Eating is the very important thing when it comes to fit and fine, and you need to be very careful about your eating. And if you keep on eating all the time, definitely it will bring more fat in you, and you can't be active as well. So make sure you are eating only when you are hungry. Don't eat just for filling the void in your mind, or just to remove your stresses. Sometimes people eat, I know that. So don't eat unless you feel hungry. When you are feeling very hungry, then only eat something, and that is just to fill your stomach, not more than that. Just to fill your stomach, or bit less than that you can eat. And definitely if you implement this habit in your life, you need not worry about the fat, and you need not worry about any other things. Definitely you will be very healthy and active. And trust me guys, I am following all these 3 things, and I am feeling very healthy and active nowadays, and that is the reason why I am sharing with you guys. You guys know that when I don't practice, I will never share. So these are the very easiest things to implement, and at the same time very effective things as well, and you guys can implement very easily. No need to bring anything, no need to do any extra things, no need to cook something. Just you need to take care of these 3 things. That's all about my today's video. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching guys. I will see you guys again in the next video. Till then.